When we discuss whether the internet should be considered a human right, we need to look at how important it has become in daily life. Today, the internet is not only used for entertainment, it is necessary for studying, working, communicating, and accessing many public services. If a person does not have internet access, it becomes much harder for them to participate fully in modern society. In many communities, people without a stable connection face real problems. Students cannot easily reach learning materials, adults may miss job opportunities, and families may be unable to complete basic online procedures. This creates a clear disadvantage compared to people who do have access. Because of this, many human rights experts say that internet access supports other rights, such as the right to information, freedom of expression, and participation in public life. If important parts of life now happens online, then people who are disconnected are also at risk of being left out. For this reason, some organizations argue that internet access should be protected as a human right. This will encourage governments to improve digital infrastructure, reduce the digital divide, and make sure everyone can connect and participate equally in today's digital world.
To fully understand the importance of this solution, we must examine the problem in the more detail. In Colombia, according to reports from the Superior Council of the Judiciary, more than 16% of courts operate above their recommended workload capacity. Many files managing thousands of files using paper files, physical archives, and manual process for tasks like notifications, explain document creation. This creates bottlenecks, increase the risk of human error, and slow down the entire system. During the pandemic, the lack of a digital platform forced the judicial system to adopt temporary and irregular tools. Each court chose different methods, which resulted in confusion, lack of security, and significant delays. There was no centralized way to manage errors, store documents, verify identities, or maintain the chain of custody of evidence. Given this context, we propose a comprehensive solution, an AI-powered digital justice platform. This platform will integrate multiple technological tools in one security and officially regulated system. Some of the key components include digital case file and documents, evidence and occurs or will be stored securely online, allowing judges, lawyers, and parties to access them from anywhere at any time. I-based scheduling the system called automatic, assign date for hearings B, checking the ability of the judge, attorneys, and product procedural delays, reducing human error and saving administrative time. Virtual Earning Module, a security platform for online earnings with automatic recording, cloud storage, and measures to protect the chain of custody. Automation of routine tasks, activities such as writing notifications, distributing case, or generation and start documents that could be automated to reduce delays. Electronic signatures and biometric authentication. These tools ensure the identity and participation of parties, increasing the legitimacy and security of digital proceedings. Legal chatbots and guidance tools are in assistance supervised by the judiciary court guide citizens through their case as well frequently asked questions and reduce the workload of judicial staff. The goal is not to replace human decision making but to support judicial office, reduce congestion, and creating a more transparent, efficient, and accessible justice system.
To conclude, it's important to reflect on why digital justice platform is more than just technological upgrade. It's a significant improvement to the protection of rights and the functioning of the rule of law. First, the benefits are substantial. Studies from multiple countries show that the digital judicial systems can reduce court backlog by 30 to 50% in just a few years. Processes become faster, more predictable, and less dependent on physical presence. Citizens living in rural or remote areas gain equal access to justice without needing to travel long distances for simple procedures. Costs are reduced for both the state and the users since fewer physical resources are needed. Transparency increases because digital platforms track every action, update, and document automatically. Security means such measures such as encryption, identity verification, and digital audit trace protect the integrity of information. Most importantly, technology allows the justice system to remain active even during crises like pandemics, natural disasters, or other events that prevent in-person operations. As future lawyers and legal professionals, it is essential that we understand the importance of adapting to technological change. The legal field cannot remain disconnected from the digital transformation occurring in the other sectors. Technology, when properly regulated and implemented, strengthens access to justice, protects fundamental rights, and makes the legal system more efficient. The justice of the future will not replace humans, it will empower them. It will be digital, accessible, transparent, and resilient. And adopting tools like AI-powered digital justice platforms is the first step toward building that future.